Welcome back to our channel, where we continue to investigate the wonders of the cosmos. The two fascinating celestial objects that have fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for millennia are comets and asteroids, which we shall examine in today's video. Comets. The luminous tails of comets, which are icy and rocky balls that occasionally shoot through the night sky as seen from Earth, are visible. Anytime a comet's orbit brings it close to the Sun, the ice bodies heat up and release a trail of gas and dust, which is when comets develop those tails. The tail is illuminated by the Sun, which gives it a spectacular shine. Comets usually have orbits that are more elliptical than asteroids or oval-shaped. Moreover, they have a higher concentration of water and other chemical substances that evaporate when heated. Also, comets are fuzzier than asteroids when viewed via a telescope. Bright comets only occasionally show in the visible night sky on Earth, despite the fact that there are untold billions of them circling the solar system's periphery. There are two categories for them: short-period comets and long-period comets. Many of the short-period comets, which orbit the Sun in less than 200 years, are made of icy bodies that are found in the Kuiper Belt, which is located beyond Neptune's orbit. One of these, known as Halley's Comet, comes around once every 75 to 76 years and is the most well-known. The Oort cloud, a hypothetical group of objects encircling the solar system's outer reaches, is thought to be the source of the majority of long-period comets. NASA claims that the time it takes for these comets to orbit the Sun can be thousands or even millions of years. Generally speaking, locations beyond Neptune's orbit, like the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud, are where comets are thought to have formed. The heat of the Sun causes the ice on a comet's surface to evaporate as it travels through the inner solar system, ejecting gas and dust as a result. The solar wind forces these particles away from the comet, leaving a tail in its wake that can extend millions of kilometers. Those who enjoy gazing at the stars have long reported that comets may be rather exciting. In reality, a lot of prehistoric cultures believed comets to be signs or precursors of important occasions. Asteroids. Another class of tiny stony objects that circles the Sun is the asteroids. The majority of the time, they are shaped erratically and are smaller than comets. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is where the majority of asteroids are located. However, some are also present in other regions of the solar system. Asteroids lack a tail and do not contain ice, unlike comets. The region between Mars and Jupiter is where they are thought to have formed, closer to the Sun. Based on their composition, asteroids are typically divided into three groups: C-type, S-type, and M-type. While S-type asteroids are made of silicate rock, C-type asteroids are rich in carbon. Iron and nickel are among the metals that make up M-type asteroids. Since asteroids are thought to contain crucial hints about the early history of the solar system, scientists are also quite interested in them. In order to better understand the processes involved in the formation of the solar system and the evolution of planets like Earth, for instance, scientists have studied asteroids. Differences between comets and asteroids. While comets and asteroids may at first glance appear to be identical, there are really a number of key distinctions between the two. Asteroids are constructed of rock and metal and do not have a tail, in contrast to comets, which are composed of rock, dust, and ice, and have a recognizable tail. Comets and asteroids differ from one another in important ways, too, in terms of where they came from. Asteroids are thought to have formed closer to the Sun, while comets are thought to have formed in the outer solar system. Asteroids have more circular orbits and do not normally go as far from the Sun as comets, which have extremely elliptical orbits that take them far from the Sun and then return them back in close proximity. In conclusion, comets and asteroids are two interesting celestial objects that have fascinated astronomers and scientists for ages. Despite their initial similarities, their compositions, places of origin, and orbital trajectories are very distinct from one another. We may look forward to solving even more puzzles regarding our role in the universe as we carry on with our exploration of the cosmos and learn more about these fascinating celestial bodies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.